candelabras have been around since and Sumer. They have been using candles on tables and candelabras for thousands of years. The ones most people see and look at are the mass-produced copies of copies. There's a English potter who makes videos just showing him throwing. He does a beautiful candelabra about this high. By the time you stick an appropriate sized candle in it, it's once again blocking your view on a table. So it's only really designed for a side table. I assume that's what he's designed it for. But if you're going to have a table in front of you and you're going to have some plates and you're going to have food and you're going to have people that you like or nearly like sitting around you, then what you really need is something not higher than my chin, really, or about here somewhere. So I did a couple of designs, but once again, if I was to show you the actual size that needs to be to throw it, it's hitting my nose. So you'd be looking over the top of a candle trying to have a conversation, which is no good. And I don't particularly like these designs. So I've done a design which I'm going to finish. I made these little round bowls. They're very simple, very fast. I didn't want to bore you with the turning and throwing and all of that because it's just a bit dull. Tiny little things, but they were quite easy to do. I just threw them as bowls. I make the bottom quite thick, then I can turn the curve completely around. These should fit in because there's about a 2mm difference in height between these. And I'm not going to start sanding because you end up sanding forever to get them the right level. So I threw them and then I turned them to the right level, I think. So the next stage is biscuit firing, then decoration. On with the next stage. These are some standard candles I bought. They had gloss around them. I broke that off. They're shorter than I wanted. I've carved them a bit, but they're just going to melt, so I didn't do too much. But I think they'll look all right. Okay, so I've painted, or applied is a better word, this wax solution, which is a wax resist all over the paintwork, and this means when I glaze it later, it will hopefully the glaze will run off and I'll have a nice matte finish to put my gold lustre on. So we'll see how that looks. And here it is. It's pretty hot, so I try not to melt the camera. It's just going to cool down, and then I can take it out and start putting it together. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you like the pics and the videos of the final product. I'm going to have a great Christmas. I hope you have a great Christmas. So Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to everybody, particularly to my family, my children and my grandchildren.